how to fix WhatsApp notification sound. So if you want to fix your WhatsApp notification sound, or if you want to change it, then you can simply open up your WhatsApp application. And then after opening, now you can simply go to the upper right corner, which has that three dots icon, and then you can go for settings, and now you can go for notifications. And here you have to simply turn on all of your notifications, and after turning it on, now here on the second you will have notification tone. You can simply tap on that, and then you can choose any notification sound that you would like, and after choosing you can simply tap on OK, and that's it. That's how you change your notification sound. So that's it. That's how you fix your notification sound on WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.